Hey guys, I just wanted to get a quick before shot of this side yard. Most of this is gonna get dug up. We're gonna leave just a small strip here on the side to plant some flowers, but the rest is gonna be paved to match this portion of it. I think this rose is gonna have to be moved somewhere else, but it's just in the middle of the season for the rose, so I didn't want to do it right now. So it's gonna stay for a little bit and then we'll just pave around it for now, or once we start paving. But today this portion is gonna get dug up. I am keeping that foxtail and I'm gonna move it somewhere else because it's full sun over here, so it's getting too much sun. So I'm gonna move it to a shady location, probably the front yard. Anyways, just wanted to get a front shot, a before shot, so that I could do a side-by-side comparison when we get done. Hey everybody, I wanted to give you a quick update. We're at the top of day 2 of this paver project. As you can see, I ended up having to remove the rose bush that was there because it was in the way, and some flowers. But some of the paving already got done, so it's already looking really good. Today, we're actually gonna have to dig up this raised planter, or we're gonna have to demo it because this side is just falling apart and it's actually in the way right now. So I figured let's just get it out of the way. We originally were just gonna get the pavers done first and then remove it, but this is actually better so that the mess doesn't get onto the pavers after it's done. So that's gonna be the goal for today. It's gonna be kind of exhausting. I think we might just try to remove this entire side right here, just the whole thing. We're gonna probably leave this side for now and then work on that later so that we could just focus on this area so all the pavers can go down. So anyways, that is going to be the goal for today. I don't know how far along we're going to get because there is no room in the bin, so we're going to have to figure out a way to I guess dump the soil somewhere, because I don't think this is good soil either, so I don't really care to keep it. But I may turn the camera on while some of the work is getting done. I'm not sure yet, but I will check in at the end of the day or first thing tomorrow if I don't get any shots of the actual work getting done. Hey guys, so this is the end of day 2 of the project. So tons of stuff got done. I moved all the plants. This raised planter that used to be right here and that was falling apart is now gone, and it is right there. And all of the dirt or the soil, whatever you want to call it, is right there. So huge mess in the yard, but I wanted to come out and give you a quick update. I think we're gonna pick up again tomorrow and try to get most of this portion paved, so you'll see how wide it's gonna be right there. So it's just gonna go up to here and go all the way across, so we're actually leaving a good sized portion along the wall, and I'm thinking of a rock garden, and this area actually will be paved so that when the gate swings open, there won't be any risk of hitting plants. So anyways, just wanted to give you that update. I will turn the camera back on tomorrow after some pavers get down. Most likely it'll be at the end of the day, but maybe I'll turn it on to get some actual footage of the work. Thanks. Hey guys, just a really quick update. This is the end of day 3. I think just one more day and the pavers will be done all the way to the gate right there, and then all the pavers in the backyard should be done. I didn't get to turn the camera on to show you guys the actual work here, but I'll try to turn it on for the remaining portion, and I'll just speed right through it because I don't think anyone really wants to spend 4 hours watching pavers go down. So it'll be like a really quick time lapse shot. Anyways, just a quick update. Looks a lot cleaner, but after all that gets put down and then the that black edging, I'm gonna try to fix up this side garden as much as I can. Okay, hopefully I'll remember to put the camera on. Hey guys, I hope you can hear me. Just a really quick update. Just got out for about an hour, and this is what was done. I think it's about this portion down, so everything that's kind of in the shade. So that actually was really fast. Maybe it was an hour and 15 minutes, but it was a hot day, so that's what we got done. Okay, we are finally done. I still need to do a lot of cleaning, obviously, but it took a couple more days than we expected. We had a problem with the gate. It wasn't gonna open with the pavers in because the pavers sit higher than the dirt did originally, so we had to trim the bottom to make clearance, and then it was just a very hot couple of days, so I think we got paved up to here at one point, and then we paved this entire area, and then the back portion kind of was the very last part. I think we probably worked in hour and a half kind of blocks of time just because of the heat. So the only thing left now is to put down the edging, and then it'll be all done. And then of course there's a huge mess everywhere that I need to clean up, but all in all, I'm super happy. It just looks so much better. It's super clean. If you guys missed the first paver project, this portion right here, I will throw a link on the screen so you can see that. For this one, I had to move this sprinkler right here. It was originally, I think, around here. I can't remember. Wow, it's only been a couple weeks. Also, if you missed the video of me moving the rose bush that was here and a foxtail, I will link to that video also. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Please subscribe for more random videos. Bye.